Greetings, fellow wellness seeker. Are you in for a treat? I have a fizzy, fermented story to tell you about a probiotic drink with a rich history. I hope you're thirsty for knowledge. From the heart of ancient civilizations comes a drink shrouded in mystery and revered for its life-giving properties. This ancient beverage has been passed down through generations, each sip a testament to its enduring legacy. This is kombucha, a fermented tea with a tangy flavor and a history as rich as its taste. Brewed with care and precision, it has been a staple in many cultures, celebrated for its unique qualities. Its origins are uncertain, lost to the mists of time, but its legacy as a health-giving elixir has endured for millennia. Legends speak of emperors and warriors who drank it for strength and vitality. For centuries, kombucha was more than just a drink. It was a source of vitality, a symbol of well-being, and a testament to the ancient wisdom of fermentation. It was believed to balance the body and mind, promoting overall health. Today, we're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this ancient beverage. We'll explore its storied past and understand why it has captivated so many throughout history. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of kombucha, exploring its ancient origins and rediscovering the wisdom it holds. Together, we'll uncover the secrets that have made this drink a timeless elixir. Our journey begins in the Far East, where legend has it that kombucha first emerged in ancient China around 220 BC during the Qin Dynasty. The name kombucha is believed to have originated from Dr. Kombu, a Korean physician who introduced the fermented tea to Japan as a curative for Emperor Inkyo. From these ancient cultures, kombucha spread along the Silk Road, reaching Russia and Eastern Europe. Its popularity was fueled by word of mouth, passed down through generations as a cherished home remedy and a refreshing beverage. The process of making kombucha, though seemingly magical, is surprisingly simple, relying on the natural power of fermentation. This ancient practice has been passed down through generations, preserving its traditional methods and health benefits. In ancient times, this involved brewing sweetened tea, often using green or black tea leaves, and leaving it to ferment in earthenware pots. These pots were carefully chosen for their ability to maintain the right temperature and environment for fermentation. A key ingredient, known as a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, was added to the sweetened tea, kick-starting the fermentation process. The SCOBY acts as a living culture, essential for transforming the tea. Over time, the SCOBY, resembling a pancake-like disc, would consume the sugar in the tea, transforming it into a tangy, slightly effervescent drink. This transformation is a fascinating interplay of biology and chemistry. This natural fermentation process also produced a variety of beneficial acids, enzymes, and probiotics, which contributed to kombucha's health-promoting properties. These elements work together to support digestion, boost the immune system, and provide a refreshing beverage enjoyed by many. The elixir of life. In ancient cultures, kombucha was revered as a tonic, believed to possess numerous health benefits. It was consumed to boost energy, improve digestion, and promote longevity. The Chinese, pioneers in its consumption, believed kombucha helped detoxify the body and maintain balance, reflecting their holistic approach to health and well-being. Kombucha was more than just a drink. It was an integral part of their culture, deeply intertwined with their beliefs about health and longevity. Today, kombucha is experiencing a remarkable revival. Once a beverage confined to the kitchens of home brewers, it has now found its way into mainstream markets. From health food stores to supermarkets, kombucha is now readily available, with a dizzying array of flavors and brands to choose from. This resurgence is driven by a growing interest in natural health remedies and fermented foods. People are rediscovering the wisdom of ancient practices to the green man's delight, seeking out traditional beverages like kombucha for their potential health benefits. The story of kombucha is a testament to the enduring power of ancient wisdom passed down through countless generations. What began as a simple fermented tea in the heart of ancient civilizations has now become a global phenomenon, embraced for its refreshing taste, unique effervescence, and potential health benefits. As we sip on this ancient elixir, let us remember the generations who came before us, who cherished kombucha not just as a drink, but as a source of vitality, well-being and community bonding. Their legacy lives on in every bottle, reminding us of the enduring connection between nature, tradition and good health. Each sip is a tribute to the timeless relationship between humans and the natural world. Over the centuries, kombucha has evolved from a mysterious elixir to a popular health drink. In ancient China, it was known as the Tea of Immortality, similar to how the green man is known as the man of infinite wisdom. I digress. The drink spread to Russia and Eastern Europe, where it was cherished for its health benefits. Today, kombucha is enjoyed worldwide, with countless variations and flavors. Kombucha can be flavored with practically any fruit or fruit juice, or even with herbs or spices. Often this is called second fermentation, and during this time the carbonation level increases. Before we depart, let us summarize the fascinating journey of kombucha through the ages. The story begins in ancient China, where emperors and warriors alike sought out the rejuvenating properties of this mystical tea. The knowledge of kombucha traveled along trade routes, reaching Russia and Eastern Europe. Here it became a household staple, known for its invigorating effects and ability to support overall wellness. Fast forward to today, and kombucha has transformed into a global sensation, available in a myriad of flavors and styles. From artisanal brews to commercial brands, each bottle tells a story of cultural exchange and innovation. As we enjoy this ancient tonic in its modern form, we celebrate its rich history and the diverse traditions that have shaped it. Kombucha's evolution is a testament to the enduring appeal of natural health remedies and the timeless connection between past and present. Finally, let's touch upon the science behind kombucha. Kombucha is not just a delicious drink, it's a powerhouse of probiotics and antioxidants. But how exactly does it become this way? It's the fermentation process that creates beneficial bacteria that promote gut health. Studies have shown that kombucha can help with digestion, boost the immune system, and even improve mental health. Who couldn't use a little natural upper to help them get through the day? As we touched upon before, fermentation, tea and sugar are transformed by a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, commonly known as SCOBY, one of short of a famous cartoon dog. Do you indulge my humor, please? We've got a lot to do now. This process produces organic acids, vitamins and enzymes that contribute to its health benefits. Researchers have found that the antioxidants in kombucha can help combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, the beneficial bacteria in kombucha support a healthy microbiome, which is essential for overall wellness. As we continue to explore kombucha's potential, ongoing studies aim to uncover even more about its remarkable properties. I don't believe we'll ever find that it can slay dragons, though. The science behind kombucha not only validates its ancient reputation, but also opens new avenues for understanding the complex relationship between diet and health. So, as you sip your next glass of kombucha, remember that you're not just enjoying a tasty drink, you're nourishing your body with a legacy of wellness spanning centuries. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on the fermented, flavorful tipple kombucha. I bet you didn't know it originated in the Far East in China. I bet you also don't know that the Green Man has many more informative videos up his sleeve that he'd love to present if you would only help us spread our reach far and wide by subscribing. Scooby-Doo it, please!